From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. Hello, Meghalaya, your story starts here.
Umentri rangba kejelau Konrad ki sangmau la penbena ba unno ya kejing rap pisa ka ban laipo lak tingka sa Shillong Sports Association ne SSA ka balong kum chibenta ban penya ya boro ki limpung ile kai ki jongka ki badai nakamenta ni ka samo ile kai usnem 8000 arhusan Konrad la penbena ya kini hadir bulalai ban gintiu ya kalama jongka SSA ka balong kum kadak kejing play pai ba ya ka samo ile kai menta ka snem SSA Stadium First Ground Polo menta ka si ka khatsau trek ujliu 8000 arhusan kini kijing wan pleo Konrad ki sangma kalong artat da kijing sang ye kelimpung ilakai jong ka under 24 division league ha ka ba kijing kunstang klalong hapeng ka Thunroyd Sports Club percha ye ka Golfling Sports Club ha kini kijing play pai ba la wan ban saki langru du secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba finally el pariat working president ke SSA uba Robert Dakhar ki dekhot tournament committee ki dekhot ka council ki player par ki captain jong baro arpu khandai ki team ha gijing kran lingkot nakaleng Konrad usngo ban penpau ye gijing kemen ba compare wat hadin balasang kamslam ye kini ka samoi lekai penban ka sngi kini ka lapoi ban stang no yaka Konrad wai kublai ya brokhot ki dekhot jong ka SSA halo gijing la ka jong ki ban pendap lot ya baro ki lempong lekai ka badai jong ka samoi ka baladap da ka ba ula penkenma ba kum ka jela ka Meghalaya ka don ya ka thong pat ka tahi ka long ban pelong ya ka jela pat ka nong ba Shillong kum ka capital football jong ka ri kum ta ban la ban kinjo ya ka ne ka thong la don bon ba ki kam bla pnya chakmat ha ka jela hi bro ka wei kum ha ka ban chna ya ki madan yele kai artificial turf ki natural turf football stadium ka CM Football Mission ka stadium ilakai football ka bahe ka batmu bante ha mau khanu ka football academy ne wat ki limpong ne ki football league bala pelong ha ka jela Konrad lapen kenma ba ka sorka ha ka samai ka baladep kala wan chakmat pa ka nyarap ya ka limpong ilakai juga SSA lengba ka chief minister special grant pat menta hiru ka snem kom bala karpa byang ye u la wan chakmat ban penbena pa undang yai biteng ban kersan ya ka SSA da ka ne ka song pisa ka balai phau lak tingka haswa ban penkot ya la ka jong ka jingkran Konrad wai ka ketbok kerbyang ya baro ki team bat ki club ki banya kon mentau snem pakin la ban pau pat ya la kai pha chwa ya ka jingkran nau me chu rangba la yo ru ya ka kintien tang soba ka bala ai du secretary ka SSA uba DL Nongbri hakani ka sngi play pada ya ka samoi la kai ka SSA ka pun ko buram ru ya ka bat tibet pha bare bat ka kong Lucky Mary Lengdo ki belong ki armur ki referee football ki bala pas ya ka Kardan national referee nolokata bala penpenaru by samla Pilar Rima Nyota dangchen ila pas ya ka exam kum ka match commissioner
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the inaugural function of the SSA League 2025. We are delighted to have with us Shri Konrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
It is my proud privilege, on behalf of the Council Member of the Shillong Sports Association, to welcome our Chief Guest Shri Konrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister Government of Meghalaya, to be with us today for launching the Shillong Sports Association Football League Tournament 2025. Also to witness the opening match to be played between the Thunroyd Sports and Cultural Club, the newly affiliated club, and the Golfling Sports Club, the all affiliated club of the association. For your information, sir, we will start today with the under 24 division 2025 and to be followed with the third division, second division, first division, Shillong Premier League, then the Women's League and the grassroots for all our affiliated clubs. Our association organizes regularly the sports and game, especially football, during the competition of our respective league. As I already mentioned, beside the champions and the runners-up, among all the different divisions, there are also system of relegation and promotion. As of now, altogether we are nearly touch 100 club affiliated with the association. I remember during my high school time that there is one Achi club by the name Madrid played in the 3rd division, but I heard that due to financial constraint and organization matters, the club disappeared unknowingly from the association. The association tournament depends mainly from the sources of funds that earn from the gate collection, and from that collection there are shares of game money between clubs played and the association. The association is indebted for your kind support for the successful of the last season, that is 2024. We hope that you will continue your help. We are very thankful to you that from the last season we could raise the prize money for all the division, which we rank 6 in the All India level. Also, the association remembered with and would like to put on records your help through Bahamlet Doling. Now the Shillong Sportsman own an ambulance sanctioned by you through the Chief Minister Special Development Fund 2023-24. As the General Secretary of the association, I don't lose hope that the Shillong Sportsman, established way back in the year 1916, will shine, and we could carry the legacy of our founding members as per its aim and objectives, especially when our state is under your captaincy, sir, who could guide for the betterment of the society. Before I end my speech, I would like also to welcome Sir Finely Period, who is the Secretary of Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the President, the Secretaries, and the team official and players of all the participating team. Also to my friend and colleague, God bless you all, Kublai.
All the team members who are present and all my dear friends, I am very happy that we're able to start the league, though a bit late, but at least we have been able to start it. I must congratulate the entire team and the office bearers of SSA for having successfully conducted the tournament last year and also starting the tournament this year. As you're all aware, Meghalaya has a target to make Meghalaya and Shillong as the football capital of the country. And in order to achieve this goal, many activities are taking place throughout the state. Whether it is the construction of large number of artificial turfs and natural turf football stadiums, whether it is the CM's football mission, whether it is the largest football stadium in the country to be made here in Maukanu in Meghalaya, whether it is the best football academy in the whole country which is going to come up in Meghalaya itself, or whether it's the leagues and tournaments like this which we always support. We have a very large plan for Meghalaya, and what we are doing here today is a very important part of that. So I congratulate SSA. We had supported this tournament last year from my Chief Minister's special grant with an amount of about 28+ lakhs. And this year also I have been requested to support this tournament, and I'm happy to announce that I will be giving the amount of about 30 lakhs is what the amount has been asked. So I'm happy to inform you that I'll be sanctioning 30 lakhs to conduct this tournament, which will of course support SSA and all the teams that are participating here today. So I don't want to take much time. I congratulate all the teams who are here. I wish each and every team the very best, and may the best team win. And of course, once again, congratulate the SSA and the office bearers. And with that, I also declare this league as open. Thank you very much.
the SSA League 2025 Open.
Rope gets wet, na? Then it's very difficult. Okay, sir, ready? Thank you.